Magandang araw, kamusta po kayo? Ako po si Darna, ang host at creator ng Buhay Tuklas. Samahan niyo po ako sa mga pagtuklas at pagpapakilala at dagdag kaalaman para sa inyong mga manunood ng YouTube video. Nais kong makapagbigay ng saya at konting kaalaman sa inyo bilang isang tagalikha. Halina't samahan niyo ako sa isa na namang pagtuklas at pagpapakilala at ating alamin ang pinagmulan. Saan banda kasama si Pigafetta ni Magellan? Wala siya sa listahan ng mga kasama ni Magellan sa kanyang mga armada. Have you seen Pigafetta? A critical analysis between the persons of Antonio Lombardo and Antonio Pigafetta. We keep on tracing the origin and narratives of Antonio Pigafetta while neglecting the ancestral background of Antonio Lombardo. Historians concluded that these two are indeed the same person. Antonio Pigafetta is a famous Italian traveler born in Vicenza around 1490 and died in the same city in 1534, who is also known by the name of Antonio Lombardo or Francisco Antonio Pigafetta. Hasty generalization has been made with this historical claim, or shall we call it historical blunders. Until this present time, Dr. Danny Hirona, an expert in the field of study of the expedition of Magellan including Antonio Pigafetta, reinforced this kind of historical reasoning. Since Pigafetta lived in Vicenza, it was in Lombardy, hence Antonio Lombardo. In the expedition of Magellan, the Escribano hardly wrote down the details of the crew but simply gave brief physical descriptions such as George Morisco. Pigafetta was not Spaniard and his roots had always been in Vicenza as far back as 1231, the first Pigafetta in the record named Tommaso. In the expedition manifest, Pigafetta gave the names of his parents which were totally different from what was commonly known in history. This is another part of his mystery. Even the sites of allegedly the origin of Pigafetta that justifies his strong connection with Antonio Lombardo, which is Lombardy and Vicenza, are two different locations. Vicenza is a city in the Veneto region of northeast Italy, while Lombardy is a region in northern Italy. Its capital, Milan, and these two places are 133 kilometers away. In the Philippine setting, that would be Manila to Nueva Ecija. Furthermore, Dr. Danny Hirona is very much aware of the enigmatic and problematic personality of Antonio Pigafetta. The name Antonio Pigafetta was not mentioned in any document such as in the official list of the members of the expedition or in the memoir written by some of the crew. Historians, however, identified Pigafetta with a listed name Antonio Lombardo, whose personal details seem to be different from what is popularly known. These anomalies raise questions critical in the history of the expedition. Did Pigafetta deliberately conceal his identity and why? Who was he really and how reliable was his account of the expedition? Unless such questions are adequately answered, the whole narrative of the Magellan expedition will be seriously put to question. These historical anomalies are still unsolved until this moment of the celebration of 500-year circumnavigation of the men of Magellan. While others are focusing on the narratives of Antonio Pigafetta without providing any significant and logical historical evidence that will establish his true identity in relation to Antonio Lombardo. Historians keep ignoring their own historical methods and criticisms in the case of Antonio Pigafetta before accepting any historical narratives, which are the external and internal criticism. External criticism establishes the authenticity of a historical source by ascertaining its provenance and determining the document's consistency with known facts. Whereas internal criticism, which is an examination of the accuracy of the evidence, scrutinizes its content and the context of its production by determining the answers to a basic but critical question: is Pigafetta really an eyewitness in Magellan's expedition under the name Antonio Lombardo? This study will seek the ancestral background of Antonio Lombardo and his alleged relation with Antonio Pigafetta. Whether they are the same person or not, Filipinos deserve to know the truth, even it will shatter the primary source of their own heroic historical narratives. History would be a wonderful thing if it were only true. Leo Tolstoy. Mag-subscribe sa aming channel para sa higit pang nakakangganyo na makasaysayang nilalaman at tiyaking pindutin ang notification bell upang hindi makaligtaan ang isang update. I-like, ibahagi, at iwanan ang iyong mga saloobin sa seksyon ng mga komento sa ibaba. Salamat sa pagsama sa amin sa nakakapagpapaliwanag na paglalakbay na ito. Hanggang dito na lang mga katuklas ko at umaasa po ako na napasaya ko kayo at nakapagbigay ako ng konting kaalaman. Kung nagustuhan po ninyo ang content, inaanyayahan ko po kayo na mag-subscribe at hit the notification bell para sa mga bagong video na aking ilalabas at paki-like na rin po ang video bilang tulong at pagsuporta sa Buhay Tuklas. Maraming salamat po and God bless.